Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Python removing list item. Today we'll specifically focus on removing a specified item and then an index and clearing and or deleting the list. Remove. Well, the remove method is, as the name suggests, it removes stuff from a list and you don't have to give it an index. That's for another method. All you need to do is give it the value of an item that you want to remove and it will just remove it. But in the case of identical items, it will remove the first instance. So let's say I have two of the same values. Remove will only remove the first one. It will leave this one alone. Next to the pop method, the pop method is exactly as the remove method, but it works with index instead of item values. As I've said here, it removes the specified index. If you don't specify the index, it will just remove the last item. Oops. Let me correct this typo over here and let's continue. Once again, I have a list item 1, 2, and 3 and pop 2. Which item do you think it will remove? Let's count. 0, 1, and 2. So it will remove item number 3. Next up is del. What this method does is that it deletes an index. But if you don't specify an index and you just give it the name of a list, it will delete the list, right? Del delete. And if you print the list after you've deleted it, it will return you an error, and we'll get to see that in a bit. Last but not least, the clear method. It empties the list. Clear differs from del in a way that it only clears up the list, therefore the list will be empty instead of delete, and you can actually, you print the list and it will not return you error, but it will give you just an empty list, just square brackets with nothing inside of them. A list equals item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5. I think that's it for now. Let's go down here and have a new list named colors. And in colors we have yellow, blue, red, brown, orange, and pink. A list remove item 1. It will remove item 1, well, the first instance of it. Colors remove blue. It will simply remove the value of blue outside of the list colors. Print a list and colors. This print will print both lists on the same line. A list pop, and I give it nothing, therefore it will remove the last item, which is item number 5 over here. Colors pop 2. What value do you think this statement right here will remove? 0, 1, 2. It will remove red. Print a list and colors once again so we can see the difference. Next up we have a list.clear and print a list. And then down here we have delete colors at index 2 and print colors. All right, Ctrl S to save and let's run it. First off, we have remove item 1, so item 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. And then colors remove blue, therefore we only have yellow, red, brown, orange, and pink. Next up, we pop out item number 5, therefore we only have 2, 3, and 4 left. The same goes with colors, and when you clear a list, it returns an empty list. And when you delete the index number 2 of colors, it gives you yellow, red, pink, because if we go back up to here, this is yellow before the statement 0, 1, 2. So it removes the orange. We only have yellow, red, and pink left. Now let's see what happens if we delete colors. and then we print it. Colors, contrast, and it would give you an error, okay? Name colors is not defined because we've deleted it. That's it for today's lesson. Our next topic is going to be an introduction about loops, more on for loops, and the focus is going to be about lists once again because we're not done with everything about lists yet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and learn today, better tomorrow. Bye.